Mensen vat gat. Ik weet wat denk je, ik weet wat denk je, chicos, die sabel. Je rukkers bij mij mensen. Maar, alle betalen rent bij zekere mensen. Ik ga niet nog bias zijn. This is the setup, bruh. Bunch of students living here and whatnot. I thought it was gonna be a fucking child parties. Shit's gonna jump off. There's gonna be bitches in bikinis. Nuts, as vullis, as klippen. Jere, die mensen vat was gat. Huh? And then you're supposed to pay rent at the end of the month. I want to know, this is my question. What do property developers or property owners do with rent money that they receive from tenants? Because clearly, it's not going back into the property. So they don't like their properties that much. They're going to pawn them off on some poor people, let them pay rent for the upkeep, and still it's not kept up. How is South Africa? Auntie, sy stuur jou kind nie meer kom leer in die dorp. Sy dink jy bly weer mooi is. Hy bly hier. Mense vat gat.